Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new programming language which name is Python. Okay, just like other languages, Python is also a kind of programming language. So before starting Python, you should be know what is language. Okay, language means it is the kind of programming language. Okay, by which you can give instruction to the computer. Okay, instruction means it is the kind of command you can give to the computer, and computer interpret or compile that command, and after execution you see the result. Okay, so Python is a programming language. It is general purpose, interpreted and object oriented high level programming language. Okay, and it was created by Guido van Rossum during 1985 to 1990. So what is written in this definition? Python is general purpose, interpreted, interactive and object oriented high level language. What is the meaning of this? Interpreted means you just have to write the code of programming language and it will automatically interpret. Okay, no need to compile. This means interpreted. Okay, now the second thing is interactive. Interactive means just you have to write the code on particular terminal. Okay, and you will see the result. This is interactive, means user can interact with language. Now the third thing, object oriented. Object oriented means the programming language will use the concept of object oriented program, means class, object, inheritance, polymorphism. If you have studied in C++, then you know very well. Otherwise I will explain. And the fourth thing, high level. High level programming language means there are two kind of programming languages, low level and high level. Low level means programming languages is machine language. Machine means it understand the binary language 0 and 1, and high level language is user friendly. Okay, you can write your code in English language. Then after the interpreter compiler will convert into lower level. So Python is high level programming language. Now the last line is it was created by Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum is the developer of this language. In 1985 to 1990 he developed. Now most important thing, if you study any language, then you should be know what is the use of particular language. Otherwise there is no need to study. I mean there is no use if you study any language. If there is a concept in your mind what is the use of particular language, then you can easily understand the concept. Okay, suppose you know very well what is the use of Java, C++, then there is a concept in your mind what is the use in future. Okay, so there is easy way to understand. Now what is the use of Python language, why we study Python, then you should be know. Now the first point is web development. What is web development? You can create website, okay, by using this Python language. This is the first use. You have seen there are various kind of websites are available on computer. You can easily open websites. Okay, generally websites are loaded on server side and you can open on your browser. Okay, so web development is the use of Python. You can develop your own website by using Python language. Okay, now the second thing is game development. Game, as you have seen, there are various games are available. You can, okay, uh, install them in your computer or mobile and you can play. So these kind of games are developed in Python language also. Okay, and you can develop interactive game. Interactive means where user can interact with game. Okay, now third thing, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, what is machine learning? Machine learning means you have to give particular instruction to the computer in advance, and according to those instruction computer will give the result. Okay, this is machine learning. Nowadays it is going on in market. Data science is also the use of Python. Okay, nowadays data is very important. Data is money, we can say. Okay, so data science is another use of Python language. With the help of Python language, you can easily work on data. There are so many other languages also where you can work on data science, but Python is quite easy than other languages. Okay, there are built-in libraries for data science. Okay, that's why it is very compatible for data science. Now, desktop GUI. What is the meaning of desktop GUI? It means you can create graphical user interface for your desktop. Desktop means your computer, mostly for computer. Okay, so you can create computer related application by using Python. Now, web scraping applications. You can create web scraping application. As you know, the data is very important part nowadays, so you can extract data from other website by using web scraping application. Okay, so you can create web scraping application by using Python. Now, seventh point is business application. Business means you can create business application uh, like other languages. We can create in Java also. So we can create business application by using Python. And there are so many uses like audio and video applications, CAD applications, and embedded application. So these are the use of Python programming language. I hope you understood the concept. What is Python and what is the use and applications of Python. In next topic we will see the few more concept. Okay, this is the first video in which I explain the introduction of Python and uses of Python. In next video we will start few more things. So thank you for watching.